everybody, this is Maria with the Wreath Machine. I'm just coming to you today with a quick little tutorial video. So I know a lot of you like to use like these little foam eggs that are about 3-4 inches tall, and then we have like these bunnies here. So the problem is a lot of you like to decorate these things, but you see like they don't have very wide bottoms. And if you try and decorate them, they're just going to fall over, right? Because they're pretty flimsy and lightweight. So I had an idea, and I did some searching on Amazon, and I found these they're called doll stands. Essentially, it's just a round piece of wood with a needle going through it. So they're very sharp, but they come to you in a box of 6. Like this, where they have the little foam so you don't stab yourself, thank God. So in the box below, in the description, I'll put a link to where you can order these. They're called Homo Yo-Yo 6-set doll stands, and they're made in China, but these are the ones I found to be able to do this. So what you're gonna do to give your item the ability to stand is you're going to take one of these and you're going to just essentially find a spot where it'll go through on the bottom like that and place it through. So now you have a way for your item to stand up and not just fall over. So if you want to decorate it with some florals or some ribbon and bows and all that stuff, they might even sell bigger ones that you can use on bigger bunnies and eggs. So like I said, you're gonna have to find a spot for this to go through, but you can do it for the bunny also. So I have my bunny and I have my egg and we're good. So now you can take a piece of foam and put it on the top and stick florals in it and ribbon, because there's tutorials like that out there. And also I wanted to mention, I did post a video for my wreath hook recently. I did have to pull it back. I have to make some adjustments, but I will repost the wreath hook when I am officially able to. So don't worry if you missed it initially. I think 70 or so people saw the video when I posted it. But I'll repost it when it's good and ready to go. I'm also going to have a commercial for it. And I'm also going to be posting it on Etsy for purchase. And I will obviously put the link on here whenever I finally do that. But I appreciate all of y'all watching today. I just wanted to make a short little tutorial because I know my videos get a little long and people don't always have the time or attention span to watch long videos. But you know, please like and subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. And thank you all for watching. And I look forward to seeing y'all on the next video. Have a great day, y'all. Bye-bye.